Pictures on the wall still hang the same, but nothing in this house remains unchanged. The laughter faded into silent nights. We lost our way between the endless fights. I watched the love we built begin to fall, like broken glass scattered across the hall. Promises became words lost in the dust, a family torn apart by shattered trust. Shattered trust, broken hearts, a house divided falls apart. Tears keep falling.
Ruby. Hi, Ruby. How are you? Are you serious? Oh, I'm so sorry. I wasn't close to my phone. Okay, don't worry. I will send Precious now to come pick you up at the gate, okay? Oh, hold on. Just hold on. Precious! Precious!
Ma!
Okay, go get Ruby at the gate, okay?
See you.
Now,
Where's the cab guy?
he has gone.
Fine. Let me tell you, I helped him cooking.
You helping cooking. You.
I did most of the watching, but you still helped me because I was just,
So you carry yourself enter kitchen, sit down there, they do cha cha cha
Yes,
cha cha.
now.
And you say you help in the kitchen.
She did not complain. She did not complain. Yeah, I'm
Good.
like,
And she has been calling. I didn't even know she was calling. See who is here. See who is here. Clucky! My sister is in town. Baby, look at you. What have you been feeding on? Oh my God. You know what? Sis, look at you. You're looking really beautiful. And you've not been coming to my house. This one you came. Thank God. You know what? Precious, take her to the room. Make yourself comfortable, okay? I'll come join you guys at the room soon, okay? Oh, where's my manners? Sorry. Baby, this is my sis. The one I've been telling you about. Her name is Ruby. Ruby, you already know. My darling husband.
Ruby! You're welcome. You're welcome to our home.
Make yourself comfortable. Clack it, clack it. So, you're so silly. This girl, you've not changed. Oh my God, I miss her so much.
You guys look alike.
Of course, you know, she's the one you didn't meet during our wedding. The one that went abroad to study. Yeah, and then she was the only one you didn't meet.
Okay.
And she's so fun to be with.
I could tell.
Very lively.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
The pictures on the wall still hang the same, but nothing in this house remains unchanged. The laughter fading into silent nights. We lost our way between the endless fights. I watched the love we built begin to fall, like broken glass scattered across the hall. Promises became words lost in the dust. A family torn apart by shattered trust. Shattered trust, broken hearts. A house divided falls apart. Tears keep falling like the rain, trying to heal this endless
God, you're not serious.
So you wanted to talk?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
I don't just want my sister to be worried about me.
Worried? Why?
You know, I've been thinking about my future lately. Thinking about getting a job and becoming independent.
That's a good thing. Plus, you have a bright future ahead of you, you know.
She always know the right thing to say, right?
Not always.
Sometimes, I just feel like I'm a burden to my sister.
Burden? How? Don't think that way. Grace, your sister loves you so much, and I'm sure that she can do anything for you.
I know. Yeah, that's the reason why I don't want to disappoint her.
Nah, you can't disappoint her. I trust you. Carry a beautiful self.
Yeah, that's serious.
Have you had something to eat? Why?
I don't just feel like.
You don't feel like?
But maybe.
Is what I'm thinking?
You know.
If it's what I'm thinking, let's go. Come feed on me. You know, it's so beautiful.
I walked into the room, my heart skipped a beat. Standing by the window, you look so sweet. Moonlight dancing softly on your face. For a moment, time slowed down in that place. Your eyes held stories I wanted to know. Like a beautiful river quietly flowing. I couldn't find the words I planned to say. You took my breath away. Girl, you're beautiful tonight, shining brighter than the city lights. Every little thing you do makes me fall a little more for you. Girl, you're beautiful tonight. Everything about you feels so right. From the moment our eyes met, you're a memory I won't forget. I saw you standing there, a little shy, a gentle smile and kindness in your eyes. The room felt warmer when you came near, and somehow all my fears disappeared. I never thought I'd feel this way so fast, like a perfect moment I hoped would last. Something in your voice felt so sincere.
I was about to even call you. I was about to come call you in your room. There's nothing at home. Try and make breakfast, okay? So that we'll eat something this morning, okay? There's nothing in the house.
I'm going out.
Excuse you? What do you mean you're going out? I said there's nothing at home. Try and fix something for us to eat.
Grace, excuse you. I'm not your house help the last time I checked. I said I'm going out. Please, stand up and fix something for everyone.
David! 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 How long has this been going on in this house?
Grace, please.
David, you're not going to give me that response. I just asked the question. How long has this been going on in this house?
What are you talking about?
What do you mean by what am I talking about? Are you blind? I am showing you a text message. What's this? Is this not my sister? David. Jesus Christ. David. David, my sister. My sister, the one I protected, that I love so much, that I brought into this house, David.
I'm sorry.
Oh. David, you're sorry. This is what you're telling me. You're sorry, David. My sister, my blood. How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? My sister.
I'm sorry.
David, where is your conscience? Where is your conscience? What is wrong with you?
I said I'm sorry.
My sister, David, my sister.
I'm sorry, Grace. I'm sorry.
I can't believe this. No, no, Jesus, no. This is too much for me. This is not. This nonsense has to stop. I am tired of this. Come outside. Do you think I'm joking with you? I don't know if you think I'm playing. Close that door. Go. This nonsense has to stop. I am tired of this rubbish. I am tired of accommodating a prostitute in my house.
Hey, what's wrong? Why are you shouting? Can we just resolve this and let there be peace?
Let there be peace. Oh, really? You want peace? You're a shameless man. You're the most shameless person I've ever seen in my life. So you want me to keep accommodating your whore in my own matrimonial house? Are you kidding me? You know, I'm done. What am I even saying? I'm tired of this nonsense. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Bitch.
Babe, why? How can you just take
See, I don't want to see you again.
Get out.
Johan, now what's wrong?
Are you okay?
Calm down.
Are you okay? Are you the one to tell me what to do to my sister?
What do you want the neighbors to say? Calm down, you're shouting.
Can you hear yourself right now? Okay, do you want to join her? No, you can as well join her so you guys will continue where you stopped.
What are you saying?
Then keep quiet. I don't care. When you were cheating, did you mind about the neighbors?
Why would you say this?
Hey, and you, I took you in as my sister, my blood. So this is what you will pay me in return. This is how you will pay me in return. Cheating on me with my own husband. And to think that I thought you had some senses in you. Leave my house. Now, are you
You're embarrassing us.
See, don't piss me off. I already told you, you can join her if you want to. I said leave my house. Are you still looking at me?
Look at the neighbors watching us.
Leave my house. Out. Musa, come and throw this rubbish out. Out of my house. Prostitute. Rubbish. Wait, do you want to join her? Now drop that bag and get inside now. Or you want to join her? What is wrong? You know what? I am tired.
You say you start crying. Sorry now. I know it's hard. I know you are feeling pain. But sorry now. Please try to do something. Sorry now. Sorry. Please, stop crying. Please now. Please now.
Darling, I know I have messed up, but please, can Can you find a place in your heart to forgive me? Please. Everything feels empty. The whole house feels empty. So is my heart. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Please. Has she eaten something?
No, there's no eating since.
Why haven't you eaten? Stop crying, please. Please. Tell her to stop crying. Please. Please.
I just want you to talk to me. You're very important to my friend. Very important.
I'm so sorry.
The pictures on the wall still hang the same, but nothing in this house remains unchanged. The laughter fading into silent nights. We lost our way between the endless fights. I watched the love we built begin to fall, like broken glass scattered across the hall. Promises became words lost in the dust. A family torn apart by shattered trust. Shattered trust, broken hearts. A house divided falls apart. Tears keep falling like the rain, trying to heal this endless pain. Shattered trust, empty rooms. Love disappeared beneath the wounds. We're living with the scars of yesterday, praying somehow we'll find.
Well, I called this meeting because for this past few months, I've not really been myself. I was wounded. My trust was broken. My heart was shattered by the people I truly love. But then again, what is love without forgiveness? And what is happiness without family? I honestly had a deep thought about the good moments we've shared together as family. And I realized that the only way I can gather a full healing is by forgiving you all that have wronged me. And I'm starting with you, my sister, Ruby. You know I love you so very much. You are one sister that I cherish so much. And that is why I felt really heartbroken when you hurt me. But then, this is me saying, I forgive you. Because to err is human and to forgive is divine. this is the only way I can find peace and healing. It's okay. It's okay. No, don't worry.
So
It's okay. No, don't do this. Come on, stand up. It's okay. It's okay. Ruby.
I'm sorry.
Ruby, you don't need to be sorry.
I know I don't deserve your trust. And I do not deserve your forgiveness. And if you choose
You don't need to
not
say
to
anything.
forgive me,
No.
it's fine, I understand.
No.
I do understand.
No. Listen. I had a deep thought about this. I did not just call this meeting because I wanted to. I called it because it was a necessity. Okay? I made peace with my spirit and I only wanted happiness with my family. So Ruby, please, I have forgiven you. Okay? You are my blood. Stand up. Don't do this. Stand up. Okay? Stand up. Come here. You're my blood.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. Oh, my baby sis, baby of the house. Say, we are one good family, one happy family, and that is how it should be. Okay? I want my family back. I want that happiness. I miss you guys.
I miss you too.
It's okay.
I missed you. I missed you so much. I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's fine, baby. It's fine. Okay? Good. It's okay. Don't worry. See it, Ruby. Don't do that.
Baby, thank you for forgiving us. Come.
It's okay, baby.
So real quick, in this beautiful moment of celebration, I also have a good news to share with everybody.
Ooh, spirit!
So, I just got a contract of about 100 million naira.
Baby, you're kidding.
Oh,
I'm joking.
is it lying?
Yes, and my offer letter is coming first thing Monday morning. Do you know what we are going to do? Tonight, we are going to be turning up. So bring your best dress, babe. Be on a beautiful dress and let's go.
He's talking at me.
You talking.
And champagne.
Come here.
Champagne at this age.
Come here.
The pictures on the wall still hang the same, but nothing in this house remains unchanged. The laughter fading into silent nights. We lost our way between the endless fights. I watched the love we built begin to fall, like broken glass scattered across the hall. Promises became words lost in the dust. A family torn apart by shattered